Slot Family. We're trying something new. We're on Lightning Link, and we're going to do 100 spins at $2.50. And the next video, I'm doing a little series here, 4 series. The next one we'll do 100 spins at $5, then 100 spins at $12.50, and wrap it up with a video of 100 spins at $25 for $2,500. So this is part 1 of a 4-part series. Got my trusty counter here. Let's see what we can do. Hey Slot Family, I'm muffled up. I'm at Hard Rock Tampa right at the moment, and I've got my mask on, so I sound a little muffled. But as I said, we're doing a Lightning Link. We're going to do $2.50 per spin, and this is a series. We're doing 100 spins. I've got my trusty counter here I'm going to try to keep up with. So 100 spins at $2.50 to see what we can do. And this is part 1 of a 4-part series. We're going to keep stepping it up. The next part will be $5, 100 spins for $500, and $12.50 for $12.50, 100 spins, and then wrapping finally with $25 per spin, 100 spins, $2,500. There we go. Let's see what it'll do. Almost. There we go. We got some roses on spin number 7 for 15. Big doings. Spin 16. 17. 18. 19. 22. 23. Come on. Oh, that was close. 1 bonus. That's all we want. Come on. We need 3 of those moons, or come on, 2 more, or 6 of those hearts. Come on, 3 more, 3 more. We can do it. For those of you keeping track with me, we're at 22. There's 23. 24. 25. Oh, so close. So close again. What'll come first, the heart bonus or the moon bonus? I don't know. Or no bonus. Come on, 3 more. Rosanna playing in the background from Toto, I think it is. That's going to lead to some copyright editing. That was good for $15. There's our first little line hit, and that was on 37. I'm good, thank you. Just want to see 1 good heart bonus, or even a good moon bonus. Couple dubs for not much. Almost money back. We have passed 50 spins, so we're more than halfway there. And I think the biggest thing we've landed so far was $15. That was close. Can we beat that $15 line hit? Come on, moves. Come on, folks. We can do this. That's okay. Good for a hair more than the bet. I can't imagine it won't give us one bonus with 100 spins, but hey, you never know. That's why I'm doing this little series here. A little more than money, yeah, I bet. We're on spin 69. Right there. Come on, right now. Oh, that would have been beautiful. The minors is sitting at 500. That would be keys.
Oh shit! Oh
Getting close here. This is spin number 80 right now. We have 20 spins left. Oh, that was close with the moons. Oh, close again. Couple tens, couple jacks, a little more than money bet. Spin 89. Come on. Six spins left. We'll count them down. That was 6. That's 5. This is 4. 3. A little something in the Tiffany's gift boxes. That was 99. Here is our last bet. Number 100. Oh, that was pretty horrible. $250, betting $2.50, 100 spins, and we ended up left with $55. That was pretty bad. Hope this the trend doesn't continue when we do the next video of 100 spins at $5, then 100 spins at $12.50, and ultimately 100 spins at $25 per spin. Thanks for watching. Little something. $12.50.
So funny, I haven't seen you like in 2. Oh yes!
Oh, yeah, buddy.
Yes!
We got it. We got it under $12.50. Let's get a little volume on that.
Now
Let's see what this turns into.
fill the screen up. Come on.
So far, nothing super exciting, but not bad.
Not yet.
Oh,
Not
that's
yet.
all
Not
right.
yet. Not yet. Come on.
Well, I've been doing this thing this weekend, Manny.
Okay.
Other people out there call it Windexing. With the coronavirus going on, I'm Lysoling.
Oh, okay. Perfect.
So
yeah.
I'm Lysoling my screen. Get rid of all the germs and bacteria.
Very appropriate. Excuse us. Hi. You got a mini?
Yeah, buddy.
Can you get a Fiji and me a vodka crunch splash of OJ, please? Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Let me do one.
Go ahead,
There we
Danny.
go. Drop that major.
Looking good
You
so
have
far.
some good numbers here, Ed.
I'm all right. 62, 62,
One more heart. Come on.
25, and a mini for 100.
Bam!
Oh, I saw it go by.
Why couldn't you
Let's see what this
stay?
adds up to.
Yeah. There you go.
That was a decent little bonus there. $12.50 a spin on Heartthrob.
What's the percentage of that? I don't know. I don't do math like that.
I don't know. $10 would be 40 times one. Yeah, whatever.
Let's see.
I'm going on 3 hours of sleep in 2 days here. I'm not going to do the math. It's 40
What was that,
times.
32X?
Yeah.
Not bad.
Yep.
We can do better. You're getting close to
gonna
that
do better.
1,000.
Should I go back to stepping the
No,
bets?
go right ahead. That was your goal.
$5, $7.50, $12.50, and yeah, we need 3 of those. Back to $7.50.
The gentleman is from Florida. Give him some moons over his hammy.
Yeah. Come on.
Oh, yes!
Yeah, buddy. We're back.
Good
This
luck
time.
charm right here.
Maybe. I've got to catch a flight. If we keep winning, what do we do?
You stay, baby.
I guess.
With name. Oh, I saw the
Take
major
a couple
again.
there, Manny. Take a couple.
Here we go.
Oh, I saw the miner for 500 go by.
Yeah, the mine would be nice. Heart, heart. Oh.
I probably popped 3 $500 miners on this trip
Oh,
already.
really?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. I was doing the high limit night space with the chip. Ran over to Park MGM, hit a $1,200 hand pan, the second hole.
Oh, that's nice. On my end, the miners usually fly by because I want to stay legal, you know?
So no miners for Manny?
No miners.
Okay. Only majors.
Only majors.